A Chinese fishing fleet of 250 fishing vessels overseen by the Peruvian Navy. The Peruvian Navy on Friday carefully watched a Chinese fishing fleet of about 250 fishing vessels set sail just outside the Andean waters, prompting the fishing industry domestic anger and spark war on Twitter between Washington and Beijing. Peru said it would resolutely drive away the Chinese fishing vessel if China continued to violate the border. The Peruvian site also threatened to use guns and cannons to shoot at Chinese fishing boats if they exploit their waters. The fleet, previously fishing for the giant squid near the Galapagos Islands off Ecuador, was discovered this week by the Peruvian Navy at 230 miles (370.15 kilometers) off the country's coast, reported by local maritime customs. Defense Minister Jorge Chavez told reporters on Friday that our Navy is making crossings, ensuring no such ships are within our jurisdiction. The commander of the Coast Guard, Jorge Porter Guerrero, told Reuters the fleet was identified and positioned after the low-altitude flight of a probe with a Masters patrol vessel updated to Wednesday. Not all are in one place, they were scattered, he said, adding to that of 250 to 270 ships.